I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: power, cables, and updated firmware. Connect the Xbox to the Elgato input with an HDMI 2.0 cable so you keep 4K pass-through. Plug Elgato to your PC via the USB lead and power the device. Disable HDCP on the Xbox. This lets capture work. Once done, launch the Elgato game capture software so it can detect the device and install drivers. This initial phase prevents frame drops and locked captures down the line. Next, wire the pass-through. HDMI from Elgato output goes to your TV or monitor, ensuring zero-lag gameplay while capturing. On the Xbox, set resolution and HDR preferences to match your capture goals. Pick 1080p/60 for smooth streams or enable 4K pass-through if your Elgato supports it. In the Elgato app, choose the active input, set frame rate to 60, and pick a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Make sure your recording folder has enough free space before you hit rec. To finish, run a quick test recording while speaking and playing. Check game audio, party chat levels, and camera overlay alignment so your real stream looks right. If you see no signal, reseat HDMI and USB cables, swap HDMI ports, or try a different USB socket on the PC. Often that resolves handshake issues. If colors, sync, or stability act up, update Elgato firmware and restart the PC and Xbox. This clears drivers and restores stable capture. That one troubleshooting tip solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.